Student 1, learn to cook at Cooking Lab with friends full of laughter. Creativity grows, confidence grows. Yummy tummies, happy minds. We cook, our hearts are happy with friends full